Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the laws which explain the Black body radiation curves. You can see here Black body radiation curves. See. These are the Black body radiation curves. Now, from these curves, the first law which explains these curves was Wien's displacement law. According to this law, as the temperature increases, the value of lambda maximum at which energy density is maximum decreases. The Black body radiations are obtained by plotting graph between energy density and wavelength lambda. Therefore, the first law which explained these radiations, that which explained Black body radiation curves, was Wien's displacement law. This law states that as the temperature increases, the value of lambda at which, lambda means wavelength, the value of lambda at which the energy density is maximum decreases. With increase in temperature, the value of lambda at which energy is maximum decreases. This is Wien's displacement law. And mathematically, this law can be written as lambda maximum is inversely proportional to temperature. And to if we want to isolate the concept of proportionality, we can write it as lambda maximum equal to some constant k into 1 by t. And finally, what we will get from this law is that the product of the maximum value of lambda and the temperature from these curves will be equal to some constant. This is Wien's displacement law.